Are you familiar with the order flow footprint? Here's 3 trades for nearly $1,000 on simple short-term scalping techniques using order flow from this week. First up, here's the pre-market read on a rollover trade. You see a nice uptrend here broken at the top with a violent news candle and negative delta in the opposite trend direction. This violent candle left a nice gap to take short on a retest. Price moves back up from the structure break and I get my entry. 5 minutes later, price drops, hits target for a quick $200 trade before the bell even rings. Second trade here is a quick breakout trade back up into value. Price violently closed back up into the value area low with some strong delta, pulled back to my level, and I got an entry. 2 points on 2 contracts for another $200. Quick trade. And lastly is the bigger scalp on the breakdown trade. I had higher directional conviction on this trade, so I added a few contracts. Here's price filling a gap off the open on a breakdown for 15 ticks on 3 contracts. Watch as the negative delta builds on this candle to over negative 8,000. Could have easily added more contracts with that kind of confirmation. That's the power of the order flow footprint.
If you like this and you want access to the tools, check out NinjaTrader's Fast Track with the link below.